잘생긴 사람만 봐요. 좋은데?
재밌겠다. 한번 보자.
See, the chest day, I didn't know anybody in there at the time. Closest person to me was the black dude at the bench next to me. So I walked over. I was like, "Hey man, would you mind spotting me for this set real quick?" He was like, "Yeah, I got you." Finally, I just get it off the rack. I get stuck on the third.
아 근데 이런 사람들 진짜 연기도 잘하는 것 같아.
맞아,
그치?
그런 거 좀 있어. 진짜 서서 말만 하는데 그거 완전 살려야 되잖아.
맞아.
My arms start shaking, and he can see this. Like any good spotter, he has some words of encouragement, and this man just gets in my ear.
왠지 잘했을
Do that shit. Do that shit. It ain't nothing. I was like,
아 뭐야 스파르타인데?
빡센데?
I don't know, man. I'm getting kind of tired. He was like, my people been tired. I was like, damn. I'm sorry. It was only like 2:50.